Fart nutted on some titties though, boy. Well,
Hey, Ford, beat your ass by Jenny.
Ford, pap your ass
Pap
out.
your ass out.
by Jenny, boy. Fart on the stage to get your ass.
Boy, that nigga like 4-0.
He had his hands on you,
That
Janet.
boy ain't take now loss.
That nigga ain't bull.
Boris been whooping niggas' ass over Jenny since she was a little girl.
Since she was a little girl.
And they get what? Ain't nobody
He
ever
would've got
fouled
on
Jenny
that
can
ass
fuck
if he
something.
could.
Forrest will wait right there for her. You done, JD? I'll wait for
Shit.
you.
Remember when Jenny was in that car in college? In there finna fuck? And he went in there and
know any
beat.
better.
He pulled that nigga ass out.
He went in there and pulled that nigga ass out in the rain, boy.
Boris all elbows on his ass.
You feel me?